Good afternoon. How are you?
The name
My name is Lorna. I have written my name is Lorna.
alone.
Yes.
Oh, great.
Yeah. Which part are you
So
in
you are
India?
still learning.
Yes, I am learning. Which part are you in India?
I am from the western part of India.
Western part of India. Which state do you belong to?
I belong to Rajasthan.
Oh, okay. You are belong to Rajasthan. What do you do? Are you student or are you working?
I am working.
Which department are you working?
There is no department. I'm working as a truck driver.
Wow, you
It's a
are working.
transport department. You can say transportation and transport department.
Okay, how long have you been working that department?
Uh, for last 3 years, I am driving a truck.
Okay, that is your one truck or you?
One person can drive one truck only.
Okay, I got your point. You are a driver and you can drive. Then have you hired by someone or you that is
Yeah, I'm on the job. Uh, the
okay.
operator is different. I'm just driving it.
Okay, so nice. What's your qualification?
I quit my studies after 12.
Oh my goodness. And you are a fluent speaker. How did you learn this language? Tell me.
I'm also learner, so I learned it with talking to co-learners like you.
Okay, I got your point. You practice lots, right? And still you
Yeah,
are
whenever I'm driving, I have plenty of time to communicate, so I keep talking and keep driving.
right, right. You do simultaneously learning and earning, right?
Yeah, yeah, learning and all.
Yeah, that's why while talking with the people, you also driving your truck, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. Are you driving on your state or do you move to one state to different state?
Every state, I have a national permit. I can go to any state.
Okay. Then what kind
Yesterday,
okay, what kind of goods do you transport one state to another state?
uh, mostly the industrial minerals,
Okay.
coal, sometimes it can be vegetables, coconut. Yesterday, the freight was some herbal things from Uttarakhand.
Wow. Then you visited all state in India, right?
Almost all state.
Okay, I got your point. Then how many languages do you know?
I know Haryanvi, Punjabi. I can understand Gujarati
Okay,
and Hindi officially.
and
Urdu,
English.
English, yeah.
Okay, then you are a
Where
polyglot.
are you from? Where are you from?
I am from Odisha. Have you been Odisha?
Uh, yeah. Once I came to Bhubaneswar.
Right. Bhubaneswar is capital of Odisha. I am from Odisha.
Yeah.
I am a homemaker. I want to enhance my English speaking. That's why I am using this platform. You know, as a Indian,
Okay.
we don't have partner, we don't have atmosphere to interact with anyone in English, right? That's
Yeah,
why
right.
we people depend in this kind of free platform to interact with language learner and co-learner, and we practice with them, and it is a better for us also, right? Anyone can they
Yeah,
learn, anyone can they speak. Language is a learnable skill. Yeah,
yes.
right. And how long have you been using this platform?
I found it yesterday.
You install in this platform yesterday, right?
Yeah, right. Yesterday.
Okay. How did you know about this platform? Who recommended you this platform to join?
some co-learners earlier I was learning.
Okay, how many platform apart from this platform do you use different platform to enhance your English speaking, or do you
Yeah, earlier I was using fluency.
okay, Ask Fluency, but this day you don't use Ask Fluency?
No, I don't.
Okay, then right now you are using this platform. How much amount have you paid through platform because you are a premium user?
Yesterday I took the subscription for 3 months. The cost was around 650 rupees.
Okay, Miss, how much time do you invest through platform per day?
There is no certain time, like if I'm completely busy, I can spend any time, at least 5 7 hours.
Okay, I got
And
your
if
point.
I'm then I will not be making problem.
Yeah, I got your point. If you get free time, then you invest through platform 5 years, 6 year, 5 hours, 6 hour per day, right?
In a day.
Okay.
Yeah, at least.
Yeah, that's why you are a good speaker. You can speak fluently. You may never make mistake. You always interact with co-learner. You know how to communicate with others. Yeah, that is a good thing. It is required only practice, right?
Yeah, right.
Yeah. Otherwise, anyone can they learn. Even though you see illiterate people, they can't read, write, but they can speak fluent English. You cannot recognize they are from Indian. They speak like a native speaker, right?
Yeah, there are so many.
Yeah. Then this day you are using this platform only, right?
Yeah, nowadays it's so many.
Yeah. And this kind of platform is a good platform because at least we get chance to interact with anyone in English, right? Right now I don't know your
Yeah,
native language, you don't know my native language, then we have to talk each other in English, right?
yeah, right.
That's why
This is
this
the best.
is a better. Pardon? Could you repeat?
This is very great.
Yep. Who created in this kind of platform? They are means we gratitude them, right? We have to gratitude them because we don't have partner, we don't get atmosphere. Then we depend in this kind of platform to interact with co-learner. Then it is a better. We keep on touching English language through platform, right? And
The
I
creator of this application is from Bangalore. His name is Ram.
okay. He's from Bangalore, right?
Yes.
Yeah, this kind of platform is a good for us non-native speaker country, right? Because at least we get chance to interact with anyone. And if we don't practice regularly, then we may lose our fluency and confidence, right?
Yes,
Even though,
here we are getting calls from other countries like Bangladesh, Sri
right,
Lanka.
right. Because even though you see India is a languages country, all state have different languages, we cannot learn all state languages, right? But we
Yeah,
can
English
learn
is
English.
common.
Pardon?
We can communicate we know English very well, so
Yeah,
it's very common.
yeah, that's why English is a global language. Anyone can they learn, anyone can they speak. It is a learnable skill, right? Language is a learnable skill. It is doesn't require any degree, percentage, any score. It is required only determination, dedication, devotion, self motivation, consistency, and habit. These kind of materials required only who wants to enhance their English speaking.
Yeah,
Yeah,
very correct.
yeah, that's why even though you see language trainer, tutor and guider always tell if you want to learn English language, and English language is just like a driving and swimming. If you want to learn driving, you have to sit on the driver's seat, right? If you want to learn swimming, how to swim, then you have to jump into the pond or you have to jump into the water, right? Then anyone can they learn. It is a 20% required theory, 80% required practice. Did you finish your
So
lunch?
Um, no, I'm just finishing it. I have to have some bath and like I woke up very late today.
Okay.
Hmm. So I will beg your pardon. I will
It,
disconnect the call. It was
yeah, it was nice conversation with you, and because you are a good
yeah, it was
speaker.
my
Yeah, it is my also pleasure. I meet you here and I interact with you here, and I know because you are a driver, but you are a good speaker, fluent speaker, and you are also interact with the stranger and co-learner, and you talk with them, right? And you know also several languages, and you are a polyglot. Then your profession also in that kind of means required, right? You have to people learn so many languages because you move to one state to different state, right? Okay. Pardon, could you repeat?